Network for yet another photo shoot exclusive. Let me show you guys some new pieces from Fashion Nova, as well as a new software that will help you when you get that dreaded black screen on your phone. Let's go get ready. My phone's frozen. Now, I know we've all dealt with this, our phone freezing at the most inconvenient time, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix this using Wondershare's Dr.Fone app.
First, connect your iOS device to your computer. Dr.Fone's system recovery comes to the rescue when your Apple device has been soft-bricked. This means your phone is unusable but still turns on. It also includes problems like a black screen, being stuck on the Apple logo on startup, etc. System recovery restores iOS back to normal function without deleting any of your important data.
That's it for today, guys. I had an amazing shoot, and thanks to Dr.Fone, I was able to get some great selfies. You can check out Dr.Fone on your Mac or PC or download it from the App Store. Bye guys, see you next time.